Your brain thinks I'm real.
But if you look closer, you'll realize the truth.
I am 100%
AI.
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 Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Midnight Lab. If you follow this channel, you know we are always hunting for the most efficient workflows. We want high quality, but we also want speed. And right now, the biggest bottleneck in AI video creation isn't the technology, it's the process. Those people you just saw, they don't exist. No cameras, no actors, no recording studio. They are 100% AI, generated from scratch. How do you generate your content? You go to one website just to generate your base image. You have to download it. Then you open a second website to animate it. Then you have to go to a third website just to generate the sound effects or voiceover. You end up paying for 3 or 4 different subscriptions, juggling a dozen open tabs, and wasting hours just moving files around. It kills your creative flow. But what if you didn't have to switch? What if the world's best models for cinematic images, video, and native audio were all living under one roof? Today, I'm showing you the platform that replaces that entire stack. So subscribe to the Midnight Lab, and let's dive in. So here we are in Higgsfield Studio. It gives you access to tons of different AI models to experiment and create with. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I created that video. Let's look at the tools first. You have Nano Banana Pro, Seed Dream, and various text-to-image models. For video, they have Kling Motion Control, Kling 2.6, and even the newly released WAN 2.6. You can try any of them. But for this, let's start with Nano Banana Pro. First, we describe the image. I already have the prompt ready for the wide shot. I'll copy it, go back to the website, and paste it here. I'll share all these prompts in the description below. I've selected Nano Banana Pro. For the aspect ratio, I want 16:9. You can select 1K or 2K resolution. Since they offer unlimited generations for the 2K option, we will go with that. Click on Unlimited and hit Generate. Now, while that is generating, we will grab the next prompt, this time for a mirror selfie. Just copy the prompt, go back, select all, paste, and generate. We'll do the exact same thing for the third and fourth image. Copy, paste, generate. Okay, here are the results. Let's see them one by one. Look at this. See how realistic it is? Now, the second image, the skin detailing is perfect. If we compare this with the first one, it's just flawless. Third image. Wow, isn't that realistic? Check the face consistency. Everything is perfect. Now, let's generate the close-up shots for each image. Here, I take the prompt for the close-up shot and take the image that we generated before. As a reference, keep all the settings same and generate. We repeat this for all the 3 images we generated before and wait for the results. So, here it is. Look at the skin texture that Nano Banana generated for us. Each and every face from first image matches with the close-up shot. I'm really impressed with realistic skin texture it has generated. Now, I'll show you how to create a video out of this. We go over here and click Animate. I'll select this image as the start frame. Then, I'll select the close-up version as the end frame. By default, it uses Kling 2.5 Turbo. They have tons of models here, but Kling 2.5 itself is awesome for start and end frame, so we'll try that. Now for the prompt, I have created a universal motion prompt. I'll just copy this, paste it here, and hit Generate. Let's do the next one. Go back to Images. Select the wide shot as a start frame. Go back again and select the close-up as the end frame. The prompt remains the same. You can select the duration, 5 seconds or extended. We will select 5 seconds and generate. I'll quickly repeat this for the remaining 2 images. Start frame, end frame, 5 seconds, and generate. And here are the results. Let's see them one by one. Now let's generate using Kling 2.6 audio. Here, we again select the image we generated, click on Animate, select Kling 2.6 as our base model. Take the prompt for our video generation defining the audio and the voiceover we want, and then click Generate. We repeat this for other image we generated, but this time we use WAN 2.6. Okay, while those generate, we will try Cinema Studio 1.5, which just got a big update. We will use the same prompt we used for the tennis shot. First, the wide-angle shot, pasted here. Now you can select specific cameras. I'll go with the Raptor. Since we are doing a close-up, I will select the Lens Baby lens. Let's keep the focal length at 35mm and the aperture at 4. We'll generate it in 2K with a cinematic 16:9 ratio. Let's hit Generate. You can even use reference images here. Now, let's do the video. Remove the old settings. Here, you have options for start and end frame movements, aspect ratio, duration, audio, and slow motion. Let's create with this. Select the start frame here and the end frame that we generated earlier. I will paste my video prompt here. 5-second movement is fine. And let's generate it. Okay, here is the image result. This looks so perfect. You can see how realistic the texture is. And finally, let's see the final video. Superb, right? The transition to the last frame is perfect, and you can download everything right from here. Now let's see the results for Kling 2.6 audio we generated before.
Want to see exactly how I was created? The full step-by-step tutorial is on the Midnight Lab channel. Subscribe to watch.
So take a second to look at what we actually achieved here. It started with Nano Banana Pro. The skin texture, the lighting, that raw smartphone aesthetic, it gave us a base that was indistinguishable from reality. But the real magic happened when we hit Animate. Whether it was the motion of WAN 2.5, the stability of Kling 2.5, or the absolute game changer that is Kling 2.6 audio giving our characters a voice, the quality remained consistent across the board. We created a complete multi-model viral video campaign, and we did it without ever leaving the website. We didn't pay for 3 different subscriptions. We didn't wrestle with file transfers. We just created. If you are serious about AI video, this is the most efficient, cost-effective workflow on the market right now. I've dropped the link to Higgsfield right at the top of the description. Go create your account, try out the models, and stop wasting time switching between tabs. And if you want to take your AI creation even further, if you're looking for advanced ComfyUi workflows and professional tools to streamline your production, make sure to join the Midnight Lab on Gumroad. That is where I release my most powerful engines for you guys. Also, for all my custom-trained LoRAs and checkpoints, head over to my Civit AI page. That's where I host my character models and style assets for the community. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next drop. I'll see you in the next one. Happy generating!